Ay, sorry. Mas makatako niya. Sorry ko.
Nakakita ang balong mo.
Ay, pakakainin sa kayo na. Diyos ko po. Ay. Okay, so this is our last night tonight. So, we're just gonna... Uy, kulos! We're just gonna buy some souvenirs. It's okay. We'll just wait. Okay, para alis. Woohoo! Yapin. I know, we were just there earlier. Oh, no, kaya naman.
We're just looking around, saying hi.
Yeah. So we have explored Niagara Falls for 2 nights.
The boat is still the best.
Ha? Oh, wala nang milyari kayo? Nini, maka-turn niyang kay. Maka-right ya.
Siguro yung sila niya.
Hindi, maka-hazard ya. Oh. Kaya sira niya?
Hi guys! This one?
Oh, na problema na.
Eh, teka. Ang fish bomb lang ang JJ.
Kan JJ? Atin lang kanyang kai. No, I think atin lang challenge din, di ba, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. May nakita ko kayong TikTok makantay eh. Kung nino 15 people mag-say hi to you back.
Hindi no karela ko na.
Wow.
Then fish bomb.
Wow. Alin?
Ano tayo na?
Laway mo lang makastay la. Siguro kayo saran la ba? Maka-hazard la.
Maksakin daw rin ang anak eh.
Ha? Alitang maksakin kita.
Yan, pinututang.
Sige, ako na niya eh.
Sige, okay yan. Sige. Di ba mamo ko yung bus din?
Ayan o, pinupo tayo na eh. Ayan, pinayan eh.
Alayang kaya. Alayang.
Ay, may sira niya tatay. Aliyah, masyasya talaga buntok. Okay. Night view. Walking tour. Ay! Seryoso? Karataluklukan ka rin? Wah, kitang table ra. Wah, kita side na ni table ra. Uy, ganun mo. Bala may pala eh.
Malapit yan, Tris mo kanya.
Okay. Sige, turo mo niya mo tayong. We will follow.
Palo ko na. Anong kakontesta kayo ng kain? Itang TV rack.
Mm.
Itang kabila yung kasi. O, yung kalahari ko yun. Etek.
Just making sure my phone is inside the bag. Oh? Tsaka malapitan ito. Ikit ko ng malapitan ng fireworks.
Malawitan, mga matatatakon.
Okay. Ha? I think it's full pa.
Karen?
Wow, marakal na makaluklok. Kinita na mo. I think you cannot walk there. Makaluklok na lang, oh. Sapak na lang rin luklukan. You know what? I think anywhere from here, masantinging fireworks. Anywhere from here. Yeah. At 10 o'clock, lumulta na sharp. Ah, okay. Kami pala, 10 o'clock starts of the fireworks. Oh, Canada. Still have 25 more minutes, Kulot. What are you gonna buy? A t-shirt for yourself? Kakamal na naman yung t-shirt na yan. Are you gonna buy a souvenir for yourself? Let's see, for sure you will. Sasabihin mo, life is short. Okay. Ha? Oh, you're gonna buy something for Car?
Ating kita malapit kayo. Sa kaya ting 17, 18. Dito man din, nang panay nila kayo.
Ba't mo malatiktik? Ay, tanghang clay. Oh.
Si c'est coincé, c'est facile à enlever ta vue.
Ha? Mag-washroom ka?
Best day ever.
Best day ever.
This is cute oh.
Ayan eh siya. Best day ever.
Kasi best day eh. So,
Too
mali yan
much.
naman, best yan naman, 39.
Best in price. Ha? Tara, mag-washroom tayo before the fireworks starts. Classmates. Ha? Ay, nice la din. Beautiful, yeah. How much?
Hindi ko, iinig kaya na. Ano yun? Ako lang,
Ay muna ako waswangan. Okay nga ako.
I like this.
I'm fine, thank you. Sinali kong malating ang tinitenga. Like, eh?
Kenji, anak Kenji.
Okay, let's na. Washroom break.
Hi Kenji, paano kasi kasi?
Kinitamlin din ako, di ba?
Yan o, yung carrot eggs.
Okay, washroom break.
O sige, may kita na mo rin. Gitna.
Okay.
Wala ka palang picture dyan o.
Swerte. Ay, kahit na lahat ng picture, gewo. Time check, it's 10:56. We're here waiting for the fireworks. Kulot,
Yes.
are you happy with your
Yeah, I will wear it
purchases?
tomorrow.
Pareho niya
Yes.
mo presyo, Laila.
Which one?
That one ang boy.
Jeff, shout out sa'yo, Mommy. Nakawala na naman yung mom
Mommy
mo.
and brother.
Nakawala na naman ng mga credit cards sa kamay. Ayan oh, okay. Jay, are you happy? What did you get for yourself, Jay?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. A few more minutes before the fireworks. Ay, kasi tingnan nito. So, ano ro? Tang red.
Awa.
So, where? Tara, Ben. Kaya, Ben, let's go.
Kareng mataw.
Uy, tara kayo nita.
Tataka rin mataw pa.
Wow. Nakatakot siyang makalawi eh.
Yan ang color blue oh.
Ay, tara kayo nita na.
Oh.
Hawapi.
Oh, green naman oh. Alright.
Ano, nice. Can we move more closer? Kala mo tayo hikinan din eh. Ay, kasi kala mo tayo malapitan nandun eh.
Nandun nabi.
Hindi na, bak, di ba? May guy
Ah, wala
mo?
ko yung
Boat
guy.
cruise mo? Ano? Okay, 360 degrees. Masyadong kahit ang Ferris wheel. sa Paris Golf. The US border. May fastness. Anything? Nice. Okay, paligid ko nang malapitan na. Video na lang kayo mo. Side eh. Pwede kitang hornblower cruise? Ne.
Kita cruise din.
Kitang cruise.
Zipline.
Kita zipline? Where? Can I see it? Where?
Ako nalala. Bulacan. Sim-sim lang mo. Wow. Kasi na po malapit na mo eh. Titap, palikot ikatap. Patikot titap. Wow. Three minutes na eh, 4 minutes na eh. Kaya din eh, 5 minutes. 1 more minute na kasi. May horn eh. Pero pwede ka doon.
Ay, aliway tang natin itang. Sige, sige, sige. Alay tang pang-kain nila pa sa buglas. Last night nila pareho na. Wala mo. Ha? Yeah, they weren't any entrance. I know. I'm done with that orange. I have enough orange in life. I have enough. I'm okay. Don't push me to my limit. Buying the sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus ice cream shop. So what are we getting? Okay, I will just leave it up to you guys. Churro bites. Maybe that one. Which one? Ay, ako po rin churro bites. That's too sweet. Not even. Got our order. Look, look. And you know, from Sweet Jesus ice cream shop. You know? Okay, still.
Chamber of the pit and the pendulum. Don't lose your head when you brush up against the guillotine. It's all inside waiting at the house of Frankenstein. Come in and kill a little time with us.
Time check, it's anong time? Kakauli na pa, baleteng. Hindi na, Glenford. Na, atyo na bala di Glenford. Kakauli na pa. Kakauli na pa, Glen.
Sabi natin na, di ba?
Kasi ngayon nila pa mo yan. Kasi ikit ko nang nag-notifying kay. Wah, atyo na kay kay.
Kaya ako naman nunungod.
Wah,
Ganito na mo, ibabaw ka yun.
katara kayo na.
Ganyan na,
Tamang tawiran na mo.
Swapen, pero piling ko na.
O, tara kayo na.
Babaw ka, kahit gano'n yan, abo rin bawo.
Ali, magkaya bintog ya. And, that's where we had our dinner earlier. It was a good one. Okay. Time to go back, freshen up, pack our things. Bye. Oh yeah, drink some tea.
Dali na ko naman yan.
Ali, karakal ka rin.
Patapupin na.
Buri kitang tea na, bengi. I like the lemon.
Antay tang ice cream yun.
With JJ. Tara.
You guys don't want to.
Yeah, tsaka nakapa mo, Jay.
Yo! Oy, Jen!
Tingnan mo na eh. Lemon na dala ko, kabayas.
Ano mong magli?